I am a member of a civil organization. I am a member of a civil organization. I am a civilian. I am a civilian. I'll claim back my money. I'll claim back my money. He is in my class. He is in my class. She belongs to a middle class. She belongs to a middle class. This film is a classic. This film is a classic. Where is the classroom? Where is the classroom? Clean your room. Clean your room. Clear the way for the ambulance. Clear the way for the ambulance. I can clearly see that you are upset. I can clearly see that you are upset. Can you give me your client list? Can you give me your client list? Humans are partially responsible for the climate change. Humans are partially responsible for the climate change. I can climb up that wall. I can climb up that wall. The doctor is in his clinic. The doctor is in his clinic. The doctor asked him for his clinical reports. The doctor asked him for his clinical reports. Please hang the clock on the wall. Please hang the clock on the wall. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. He is my close friend. He is my close friend. They are closely related. They are closely related. We are closer to each other than ever before. We are closer to each other than ever before. I need new clothes. I need new clothes. She is in the clothing business. She is in the clothing business. There are few clouds in the sky. There are few clouds in the sky. He is a member of a cricket club. He is a member of a cricket club. I don't have a slightest clue. I don't have a slightest clue. Google has the biggest cluster of computers. Google has the biggest cluster of computers. He is a good coach. He is a good coach. This plant is powered by coal. This plant is powered by coal. They are a part of a coalition. They are a part of a coalition. The coast is clear. The coast is clear. Where is my black coat? Where is my black coat? Can you give me the source code of this software? Can you give me the source code of this software? I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. This robot has the cognitive thinking. This robot has the cognitive thinking. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. The building collapsed after the earthquake. The building collapsed after the earthquake. I will invite my colleagues for a dinner. I will invite my colleagues for a dinner. Please collect your pay. Please collect your pay. He has a big collection of old coins. He has a big collection of old coins. Democracy works on a collective thinking. Democracy works on a collective thinking. I'm going to the college. I am going to the college. We need to get rid of the colonial system. We need to get rid of the colonial system. I like blue color. I like blue color. I like your column. I like your column. This building has weak columns. This building has weak columns. I like your combination. I like your combination. Let's do a combined study. Let's do a combined study. When will you come? When will you come? I like comedy movies. I like comedy movies. He works from the comfort of his house. He works from the comfort of his house. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. The commander commanded the troops to move forward. The commander commanded the troops to move forward. He was a good commander. He was a good commander. Please leave a comment on this video. Please leave a comment on this video. This is a commercial property. This is a commercial property. If you sell my car, then I will give you 10% commission. If you sell my car, then I will give you 10% commission. He committed a crime. He committed a crime. She is committed to her family. She is committed to her family. He committed suicide. He committed suicide. I always try to fulfill my commitments. I always try to fulfill my commitments. He is a member of the security committee. He is a member of the security committee. Common sense is not that common. Common sense is not that common. I am a common man. I am a common man. Can you communicate it with others? Can you communicate it with others? You need to improve your communication skills. You need to improve your communication skills. Internet is the biggest communication media. Internet is the biggest communication media. He is doing a community service. He is doing a community service.